Yeah. Look at this baby. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Where you going? She running away. Where you going? Trying to find something to get into. Let's turn this TV off. We are about to head out to Wally World. I wrote a list of stuff I want to buy. I'm about to head out to Walmart. Now, I'm uploading a video for my second channel. Look at that bump. Look at that bump. I'm trying to decide how often do I want to do pregnancy updates. I don't know how often I should do them. I don't really know. But, yeah. Got my eyebrows done yesterday. Ain't that right, Maddie? I gotta start putting bills back on her because you can see she's starting to get so slobbery. Because she's teething still, so she's starting to get real slobbery again. So we're gonna do that. I'm uploading this video. I'm like, should I wait for it to freaking upload and then leave, or should I just leave? I'm like about to go because I don't want to waste no time doing that. But I wrote a list because, honey, I ain't trying to be at the store all day. I need to get some stuff for Maddie hair. Her hair is like kind of breaking off in some areas. And I'm like, because I try to alternate her ponytail so that it's not like stressing her scalp. But you know, she's still a baby, so their scalp is still sensitive. So anyways, it'll grow. And Chris is asleep. He just got off from work. He been working like really, really crazy hours. I need him to take this trash out though. That's all I ask. Just take the trash out, baby. I know you working hard. I'll take care of everything else. Just take the trash out. Because I refuse to take the fucking trash out. I just refuse to. Like, do y'all? I know that's petty, but I just refuse to do it. Like, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. We made it to Walmart. Ooh, gotta get your headband back on, girl. What you getting fussy for? Alright, so all pink everything. Ain't that right, Maddie? That's what we doing. So I made a shopping list. I need to get Chris some deodorant, but this is like the regular price. Like, I'm looking for sales. So we might go by Target. It's right down the street. What you think, Maddie? Think we should go to Target? No? And I got a $5 discount too at Target, like a little gift card. So yeah, we might go to Target and get that. Come on. You need a different brush. I need a different brush for her. Because all she got is this baby brush. But you know what? She can use my brush. It's a soft brush. We can share brushes, right? Let's see what else they got. I'm looking to see what else they got for little girls. Yeah, I don't see too much. Well, maybe this. It looks too tight though. Oh, we throwing off shoes now, huh? I ain't got time for these shenanigans. So my sister was like, if you need to grow your daughter hair out, get this and mix it with coconut oil and jam. She got like, what, 7 daughters, so I kind of trust her. But then again, I'm like, I don't want to put this on my baby hair. She like got, you know, she's just a baby, but she is getting like patchy areas. So I just don't want to put a whole lot of products on her head. Fine then, little girl. I'm gonna drop my gloves on the floor, pull them out my pocket. I need to kind of hurry up because I could tell she already getting fussy. I don't know what to get y'all, like, or should I just keep doing what I'm doing and just don't put her hair in too many ponytails? Because maybe the ponytails is like breaking her hair off. I don't know. What we gonna do, Maddie? Madison. Maddie. Maddie. She ain't thinking about me. There you go. Turn around. Anyways, Madison about to watch this little show. I don't know nothing about it. It came out in the 90s. No, the 80s. Golly. I don't think that's gonna work. We gotta find something else. She usually watch Sesame Street, but I'm trying to see if they got anything different she can try. Open, close, okay, golly. Do they got anything for kids? Golly. But Sesame Street, you know what? Screw. Oh, Pink. I don't think she gonna like that. We're just gonna watch Sesame Street, and then later on, when I'm not recording, we're gonna play Classical Baby. I don't want to play it now because it's actual classical music, and I don't want to get copyright issues with YouTube. Look how tall she is. Dad. So we just got back from picking up my niece from school, dropped her off at my house. Then we ran over to the grocery store to get some few things. Had to get some more water and some stuff to make lasagna. I'm making a vegetarian lasagna. It's not vegan. It's just, we ain't doing all that tonight. I got this cheese, y'all. I don't know if this is just a St. Louis cheese or what. Provel cheese at this store, this place here called Emo's, this pizza place. If you come to St. Louis, try Emo's, but go to the Emo's in the hood. Emo's in the hood is better. Chinese food in the hood is better, okay? Go to the hood. Don't stay there for too long, but get you something to eat though, girl. Okay, girl? Kitty wrist twisted like a stir fry. So, we just got some cheese. I didn't even show y'all what we got from Walmart. I already unpacked it. Do y'all trust these noodles, the non-baked ones? I haven't got the ones that's curly on it, and I always get the straight ones. Got her these. I'm always getting her little snacks when I go to the store. I got this so I can make her some vegan macaroni whenever her noodles run out. And I got some crushed tomatoes. I make my own tomato sauce. I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. We're gonna make a little lasagna. That way I have something I can take to work. You know what I'm saying? Like something I can take to work. And I think I'm gonna do a curry for work. I'm gonna make her some lentils. So I already soaked some lentils for her. As you can see, the water was full. Now it's starting to go down, and the lentils are getting a lot bigger. So soak those and rinse those. And here, okay, I done rinsed it right on top of my dang on apples. All right, and here I got apples already cut up for her. And I put some lemon juice on it and covered them up because we had to run out. I didn't have time to actually start cooking them. So I'm just finishing up my meal prep for her. Finishing up my meal prep for me so I can go to work this weekend with food. Hold on, y'all. Last night I went to sleep listening to my affirmations, which I'm going to put the link of the affirmation I listen to while I'm asleep. Yeah, I woke up with like the best idea for my other channel, my nursing channel. Go follow it, yourfavnurseb. And it's like the perfect idea of how to make more money on that channel, or how to give like services to people. So yeah, like I'm really excited about it. It's gonna take me some work, some research, some time to get everything together that I need to get together, but I have like a clear, very clear vision of what I want to do. I just need to give myself a deadline, and I gotta do the research and just write out my plan for everything, because I want it to be like I have vision, you feel me? So it's crazy. I think what helped me to have it is because I was listening to those freaking affirmations. Like, it gets into your subconscious mind to keep you like going. It's crazy. I don't know how to explain it without sounding like a crazy person, but I feel like it helps. So like, I really do feel like it helped. I talked to my bestie today about it, and she was telling me that something had came up with her that she want to do for her career, and she already started working on it. I was like, I'm so excited for you, girl. Like, yes, like you can do this. Something that's gonna give her bank. And she's gonna be a lot happier doing it. It's gonna be easier for her while she's in nursing school. So I'm already excited for her. I already know it already happened. I know it's done. So things are good. Keep all the positive energy. We are doing Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas. I don't know what day it's gonna fall on. I just want Vlogmas to be somewhat interesting, not just me talking about stuff, or me going to Target and Walmart. But we're gonna make it interesting as possible. Let's make this lasagna, y'all. First, I gotta make her apples. Maddie is having some of her vegan pasta, like macaroni and cheese, but it's bow tie. And then I made this yesterday. It has chickpeas in it with spinach and tomatoes and some spices. Definitely just a good way for her to get protein and get some iron in her system. You better eat this. Happy vegan baby. She liked the cheese, the vegan cheese and pasta. She liked that a lot. So I just put some veggie broth in my pan, and this freaking pan gets so hot so quick. I don't know why I didn't even think about how hot this freaking pan was gonna get while I'm over there feeding the baby. So I'm just putting in some onions. Oops. And I'm just gonna let that sweat down. But I do want to add some Italian seasoning so it can start to break down in there. I wish I had some fresh herbs. I do got some fresh parsley I'll add. But I just want that to start kind of breaking down. Also add some salt. Yeah, I know people don't like salt, honey, but I do. And of course, I forgot to get pepper again. So I'm just gonna check on Madison's apples over here, because as you can hear, they're rumbling and a jumbling. Okay. Let me turn them down. I probably got them up way too high. Clean this spatula off. I just kind of want to get some of the apples that was on the bottom, like move them, switch them so they can all cook kind of evenly. One fell overboard. As you can see, my father-in-law got us a whole bunch of freaking apples. And this is like the second batch of them. So yeah, he gave us a lot of apples. So that's good. Worked out for like, this is probably going to be 3 weeks worth of stuff. Because she eats other food and she's got bananas and stuff. So this definitely worked out for us. I'm just going to turn it down some more. I don't want it to like be all over the place. So these are all the apples that we had. A ton of apples. Plus this container apples. I'm gonna freeze this and put this in the fridge. She can have this for breakfast, with her lunch or with her dinner, as a dessert. So yeah, as you can see, it really stretched. I like to put enough of the juice from the water from the apples. I like to put enough to kind of cover them up so it won't get all dried out and it can stay, you know, juicy and good. So yeah, that's that. Maddie, we going back to swaddling. We going back to swaddling. That's it. That's that. You getting swaddled. You getting swaddled. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You getting swaddled up. You getting swaddled.